The red blood cells inside the body are working hard. Suddenly a huge passage appears in the sky. It directly sucks in all the red blood cells present. Next, all the red blood cells are trapped inside a transparent cage. But these red blood cells soon enter the girl's body. It turns out the girl suddenly falls ill and needs a blood transfusion. Her father happens to have the same blood type as the girl, so the red blood cells from two different bodies meet in this way. Red blood cell 911 has been struggling inside the girl's father's body. The father never takes care of himself, causing the pathways for oxygen transport to be blocked by all kinds of waste. Every time the red blood cells try to work, they face extreme difficulty. Some cells have even been deprived of oxygen for a long time, but orders from above demand that oxygen be supplied to the primary organs first. Kind-hearted Jason can only apologize to the oxygen-deprived cells, but the higher-ups only care whether the oxygen gets delivered. They do not care about how much the red blood cells suffer. But now the main goal is to save the girl's body. Due to the evolution of mutant white blood cells, whether red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets, they are all severely understaffed. Even the usually lone wolf natural killer cells have no choice but to join forces with others. They arrive at the bone marrow zone ready to eliminate the mutant cells. But the bone marrow's self-defense system has already been activated. Unexpectedly, the mutant cells are completely unharmed. Instead, the allied cell forces suffer collateral damage. At this moment, the doctors outside start treating the girl. Inside her body, the mutant cells instantly go berserk. And now in the bone marrow zone only, 2 red blood cells remain. Red blood cell 911 thought he had escaped his previous suffering, only to realize this body is in an even worse condition. Even the auxiliary cells responsible for coordinating body functions have been invaded by mutant cells. Only 1 red blood cell is still holding on. She believes that if she can deliver oxygen to the bone marrow, then this world can definitely return to normal.